this under me nose. What we are gonna do with bad mind? What we do with some title, girl? Baby, want my phone there?
Come fuck me and video me cute pussy with your big body.
Too coward fi face me, so them try use spiritual battle erase me. Try.
Top me na my motive, my wrong. I feel like women that give men jacket for God jail. Man will breed women and then just disappear out of them life, or just out there live carefree, now support the children for God jail.
Yo, from there on earth, you lie set an individual them never buck up my youth. Mechanic and furniture man. If your woman ever tell us you lie like a mechanic and furniture man, it's no say. No hope no in that, my friend. No, brother. You like man and lie, and wicked is my youth. Brother, on wicked is my youth. Brother, on wicked so. Mechanic and furniture, brother, man and wicked.
Beenie man, you and your fucking bow patch, come to the fucking front. What do you mean you over there in interviews talking about Trinidad food is for dogs, bitch?
People them from Trinidad who said that I disrespect Trinidad. I never disrespect Trinidad. It's like you ask just that for me poor.
That's what I see me and I think of the eye. And they say that family this from day one. Never forget, yeah?
That mean as well. Now I kick in your door within the 4-4. Beenie, lyrics in my thing. I do freestyle and I do really sing. But in Trinidad, you see doubles.
When me I talk to Enhance did I work down at iClicks, right? When him I work down there, me and him I talk, and me I make my little promotion blood clot money, you know.
Hey, me I go want some man off, leg off a Vybz Kartel shirt. Especially you being a man. It's not because you was not arrested for the crimes that you did. Make I tell you that. Not because in the involvement of Bogle.
We used to manage Alkaline back in the day. Matter of fact, I meet Alkaline Arden.
I know people right now that read a mass and I read a list of Massacre, Alkaline and Chronicler over Cartel. Me are one of them people. And I know me have nothing against him.
When the pastor, Jeffrey Shutterworth, come up at me.
Just think about the trauma of being exposed with a penis in her mouth via picture or video. The person where you're most loyal to. And me, she talked to for 2 hours on the phone. And me still not say nothing. She vent to me. And it's not the first.
Suck your mother squash. You feel dead for hungry batty boy so we can hungry make you hold you and kill. You feel hungry, say no money for broke your Airbnb so we can get to catch you and kill the boy. Come on.
John, how it goes? Zaga now. Yeah. Alright, you are one. Don't eat the laughter. You are a subscriber. We're going to talk about Vybz Kartel. We're going to talk about Beenie Man. We're going to talk about our Govy. Yeah, we're going to talk about Lisa Hyper. Same way, you know. Lisa Hyper get mad over here. Yo, ja. 16 business are jumping. Yo, me don't understand what I'm going on, you know. Yeah, we are talking about Beenie Man that and Vybz Kartel link up and say you're a family setting. So you know what thing goes. So we don't know where Beenie Man come from. Beenie Man start style up Trinidad food and bathing, you know. So you know say Trinidad people them just get wild over there too. Beenie Man get steam cake, you know, slice of cake and thing. You know what thing goes. So here we go and we are going to show. We are going to video them SCP. So here we go. I'm not go to chat. SCP, because here we go, I left that to people to do the right thing and left their opinion in the comment section. So SCP, we are going to go right down to the video them because we're not doing a bag of chatting. Here we go, we still going to say about Kevin now. Kevin there, so. I show about theme part of theme story, theme opinion, same SCP. So here we go, and we jump over there and watch them video over here. Hot, same way, Gauge. Gyah. Gyah send out some birds, same way, and I say, yo. You would have never listen to Vybz Kartel. Spice there say something to. Footer hype there over here say something to. A be a little thing over here, dog. A be a little thing. Yo, over here warm. Yo, Lisa hype still if you calm down in a girl. Viewers and subscribers, like, subscribe and share. You see, leave an opinion in the comment section. You see, more than one know what to think about this situation and this thing we are going on the social media. You see, because watch out, I love it, you know. I don't know if you love it. Watch out, viewers and subscribers. You are going, the way the thing get warm, everybody has speak out, the internet get wild. You see, but you are going. Big up where dog I say over here, say dog I give some good opinion on woman and furniture man and them thing there, you know, mechanic and them thing there. You see me, if your woman tell you say yo, you liar, wicked like furniture man and them thing there, you know, say you go way down to the dirt, to the dogs, you know what thing go. Left your opinion on what I say, you know what thing go. Yeah man, just leave your opinion and where the Gyah say, you see, if him wrong or him right, or who you think are the wickedest or the lies, you know.
Yo, from me up on earth, you lie set an individual them never buck up my youth. Mechanic and furniture man. If your woman ever tell you say you lie like a mechanic and furniture man, it's no say. No hope none of that, my friend. No, brother. You lie, man, and lie, man, and lie, man, and lie, and wickedest of my youth. Brother, on the wickedest of my youth. Brother, on the wicked so. Mechanic and furniture, brother, man, and wicked.
Yo, watch out, see Kevin over here saying, Kevin over here say get wild, Lego the Dan t-shirt, Vybz boss, and you do this in a man. Yo, the thing just warm for you forward. I would say you're the king of dancehall. Yo, Beenie man, go inside. Yo, no follow me in the Beenie man, no pre me on this in the Beenie man. Just the fame we are do this for the bank account. Over that time my nose.
I'm gonna want some man off, leg off a Vybz Kartel shirt. Especially you being a man. It's not because you was not arrested for the crimes that you did. Make I tell you that. Not because in the involvement of Bogle, your name calling out. And not because you dirty Beenie man. You know who you remind me of? Puff Daddy. And when you go done, you go way done, brother. Not because you was not arrested for the murder of Bogle. Make you come here so still I go on like say you want pint finger. And that me I try to tell you. If you go do 13 years in jail, you maybe come out a better person. Vybz Kartel did 13 years. And the man come out a different person. And all you box him, you kick him, you spit on him, you call him names, you do all kind of... The man just said, peacefully. Big up Beenie man. All when you had stamp the man name, big up Beenie man. All when you had tell lie on the man, big up Beenie man. You know, see Vybz Kartel change? Vybz Kartel change. Long time you would have get licking in your face. You, dirty stinking Beenie man. Long time you would have get licking in your face. Anyhow, Vybz Kartel never change. Vybz Kartel change. The man got jail and the man reach out to God. And the man find God. Something you have not yet found.
These people, if you got to Ivan, they are saying I video see me. You know what thing go? Check out Ivan, where must say about enhance. But then, yo, it's alleged. You know the badness come down. Yo, just viewers, subscribers. Yo, like, subscribe and share. You know the thing come down.
I talk to Enhance. Enhance is that work down at iClicks, right? When him a work down there, me and him a talk and me and make my little promotion blood clot money, you know. That them boy there, as bad to bad, him probably not be the romantic person. I say, boy, would that kill me with box food, dirty drunk crowd. Bad to bad, the boy used to give me like 5,000 and them to put towards my rent. Call him and ask him. And the boy used to give me little things, and I went and we used to jump on taxi and never me used to pay the fare them, the boy used to pay my fare them. And when the people them tell him us if you tap a bleaching or cut him ear and him say him not tap and him left. You will do a film business that you know. And he left me look work. What me did supposed to do? Remember the boy mother tell him don't talk to me and the boy hide and talk to me and the mother find out and the boy put him, could you left him in a cold and the heat? Remember Jamaica hot you know? When he take care with a crutch. And when a crutch or bed ground start take care, you know the little bed ground bugs with a blood clot take him. So me help him. My blood clot help him. When I look all at the man, You ever seen come out? And then everybody knows say me love when time my birthday, you know, when it come out to birthday, friend man, anything I mean that me go all out. When the blood clot boy birthday, I tell me take me good money. My good money and buy this boy one look of shoes, I want look of pants, I want look of belts. And say the boy go hang out. I can't believe say the boy take me full suit and carry this big dirty blood clot skinny nanny Yankee tough face looking ghetto mattress blood clot ignificant cockroach looking bleach out dog shit girl named Twinkle gone down a air shot in my blood.
Yo, watch up here. Alkaline is starting off him own show, you know. Cause watch up here. In everything, Alkaline name of a call. Yo, the man that want liquor, starring a film show. Yo, they can't take that from Alkaline. Yo, Alkaline, big up yourself, see me, you know. When I take no side, you know what thing come down.
Oh no, really? Shut off a whoop pussy, you don't get a head tap popping up. Wide. Shot fly through, button shot.
15 times because I don't really like letting people in my life too deep, you know. But when you notice me have a picture in my background, I talk about that picture. Now, this picture was taken in 2014. And me hold this picture dear to my heart because it remind me how humans stay. It remind me say you have to be careful who you trust. And you just have to watch how you move in our life. Now, for the people who don't know me, I used to manage Alkaline back in the day. Matter of fact, I meet Alkaline at Arden in a grade 10. And we used to teach music at Arden. And we start work, you know, it take me a little time, but I say, yo, the youth are talented, you know. And we decide, say, all right, I go do some work with him because I'm talented. And them time I play keyboard for Beenie Man for years, so I know in the music industry. Everybody know me. Everybody know me. I play in a rough cut band from 2006. Travel the world. So everybody in the industry know me. So anyway, by 2012, I decide, say, boy, I go sign a contract with Alkaline. I left high school now and talented youth. So I feel like, you know, I can introduce him to the music industry because I'm talented. You know, I'm used to doing like a video them with him phone and whatnot. So I decide to manage him and we decide to say, all right, we're going to take on the music. By May 2013, you know, I have to feel like a song out there. And the song them go on. And I spend them time I spend all the money what I save up through Beenie Man. Touring for the years, all I made like a teaching money. Until we eventually left Arden and decided to say, yo, I go work full time with Alkaline because I know so that youth I go boss. And only a matter of time we just have to go and do the work. You know, all of 2013 work. Let me tell you, say, we worked. I drive my car over 70,000 miles in 2013. I promote Alkaline music. Over 70,000 miles in 1 year from Portland to Negril back and forth. So me are promoting music. And by about the October 2013, my money had done. I tell her, say, I say, yo, what me I go do? And me did I go sell my car? Me have this car. Did I go sell it? And you want for Hype TV say, oh, don't sell a car, you know, because artists can be ungrateful. I never understand what I talk about because, I mean, the youth here, they are me yard every day, we eat food every day, we chat every day, we close. So I tell you, say, there's never, every single day in 2013, me Alkaline spend, whether in a studio or up on my yard or up on the road. So me feel like a somebody women know. Anyway, I decided enough to sell a car. I did end up get 2 shows to go somewhere. Come back to Jamaica and we spend it on radio and shoot one more video and, you know, until the things start take off, we get a show on Mobile. I said, boy, this look like it a go work for real, you know. By December, we do sting. Well, we never do sting. Something did go on. But into December 2013, we get couple show. Well, I say, yo, it look like all of this hard work finally a pay off. Like all this hard work finally a pay off. All of this money when me invest, me finally I can get it back. You know, not me youth, them did I sleep on my couch and me yard them time, yeah, because me never did I spend no money on them and like that. Me I invest in the artist because feel like the artist would have been, you know, the ticket will help me to set up my life, you know. Me stop work at the school, me not teach no more. Me even stop work with Beenie Man because me feel like you are the artist. I go set my life certain way. So me I invest all my time, burn CD. Every single day, it was like me dip on the road in idea. Me link all the youth, them will sell CD, link all the sound man, them link the radio man, them I go pick him up, chop him a studio, and go up on the dance, them go stand up behind the selector them all night. Well, me do that for all of 2013. You know. So by 2014, early 2014, you know, me I say, yeah, all of this work from 2012, 2013 look like it a go work. Me soon tell you how that picture happen. Anyway, we fi do sting. We end up not do sting. Something go on and we not do sting. Right? And cause we not do sting now, me and my business partner we decide say, you know what? I will do a show. Cause since we not do sting and there's some other show, major show we never do. We did do some little club show like a Moby and Hanover. But we never do the major show like Sting and Teens. I think Teens, but we never do them show. So we say, yo, man, we do a show so that people can see. Zine. So we put on a show. I think this show was for Jan. I don't remember when we do that show. We're supposed to do that show. But it was supposed to be an Alkaline in concert. And when we start planning the show now, I don't know, me notice it start move weird. So one day him call me one day and him make a whole heap of nice on the phone. And they say, yo, you're a criminal, you know, you robbed me. I say, what? So him is a man with love joke around, so I think him a joke. So me say, yo, no man, me I come up here to come link you, man. Cause think you a joke. But me hear a whole heap of people in the background. So me hurry up and drive go up and yard. When me drive go up and yard, me notice a girl have about 2 padlock on it and him inside. And me see whole line family there in there. And everybody a cuss on them and I say, yo, them a thief, them a robber. I say, what? Me say, Alkaline, no man, come talk to me, man. What really a go on? Anyway, me I go do this story. Next part I come.
Gyah know Beenie Man a bacon, you step on the daddy. You step on a landmine. You messing the daddy? He's up off of me there for a while now. Yo, just give them one and rummage them daddy. You see me? Cause out here so warm for you know, daddy. Just load the king of dance all no bad man. Just catch a pre man. Be a father before you try to be king. As what your daughter say. You see pre. Do the right thing. Cause all your daughter them a left your foot in. What make? You can't be a father daddy. Do the right thing, daddy. You see me, big up yourself, see maybe in the man, but you step on a whole heap of can out there. You have a warm time. Give them one a rummage them, my dog.
Trinidad. I just wanted to know, say, all of the people them from Trinidad who said that I disrespect Trinidad. I never disrespect Trinidad. It's like you ask just that for me pork. Alright? I try to eat the doubles. And then eat the doubles that I did. That seriously I did. All our doubles people them can tell us say I did. But when we go some boom and throw the thing for the dog them don't eat it. It's not a disrespect to Trinidad, none at all whatsoever. None at all whatsoever. I am greatly apologizing to all Trinidadians that live around the world that eat doubles. When we said it was a joke, but when Unu said in a so jokeful. So I just want to know, say, I nah disrespect no Trinidadian, none at all, never. I will never ever do that. That Trinidad is my country, when I go, even when I have nothing to do, I just buy a ticket and go to Trinidad. Yeah, all carnival me there at Trinidad. Bravo, one of my best friends in the world. See, so you have to know these things. Where a man talks, say, funny man is not really mean, say, him decide for hurt people. See it. All opinion you have to keep it to yourself. So I should have keep my opinion to myself. You shouldn't even put it on TV. I apologize. I really sincerely sorry about that if I hurt anybody. See it? I'm not here to offend my fans. I'm not here to offend anybody. I'm not here to offend the people that support the music. I'm not here to offend the people that support Trinidad. I am sorry. Very sorry. Very, one more very funny. Very sorry. I will never hear that again from me. I will never do that again. It will never happen again. And nothing like that will never come from my mouth.
You understand? Never going on. We go on charting, right? Nice. Beenie, the king of the dancehall, say that he don't eat doubles at all. Beenie, why you talk the thing bad? Like you want to get a band down Trinidad? Beenie, let me explain it quick. Limit the time so I don't want to stick. 2 bara, some hot chana. If you want to sting, you could add some pepper. Coconut chutney and shadow penny. All of that flavor your bad talk, Beenie. Doubles, make you lick your finger. And if you prefer, you add cucumber. Down Trinidad, we don't like tabos. Oh gosh, almost forget the roast. Beenie, next time you open your mouth, make sure you try a doubles down south. Down Dibay, yes in Pinal. And don't forget to make a stop in Central. From there, you head El Socorro. Double sharing all the way to Toco. And don't forget to visit St. James. You could eat a double. And don't forget to visit St. James. You could eat a doubles anywhere on the mains. You bat on the thing. And that means war. Now I kick in your door waving the 4-4. Beenie, lyrics in my thing. I do freestyle and I do really sing. But in Trinidad, you see doubles is king and you rile me up when you bad talk the thing. So if you do it again, I go pick up the phone and call Bunchy Garlin. Gone!
You see me? Yeah man, me say what me say man, me not give a who want feel away. I reason with my people. I reason with my people, you know. Cause me know people right now that read a mass and I read a list of massacre, alkaline and chronic over cartel. Me are one of them people. And I know I have nothing against him. I just say fuck short. Fuck do you man? And music me say bro. And music me say I know individual sometimes you know them people personally, I hate them. You see me? So I music me say. I tell you, I read a listen Bumbleclaw, Massacre, Alkaline, Chronic, some squash. And what you tell me say bro? If you want to feel who want to feel like, who the fuck? Me not listen to Beenie man now bro. Me not do that brother. Not saying if me dey a dance and hear me not rock to it, you know. But no, bro. Brother, no talk truth and tap tell blood clot lie, dog. Tap tell lie, brother. We don't know do it. We don't know do it. Check on YouTube search. Check it. What is a mirror that is the gauge, but you don't drop the song. I believe that be funny. Me understand, man.
Sure, I think I can't bother the DJ business. But Sean, so what you try to tell me, say? Everybody, even Lisa hype, I say you should have get a better car. And you come do a song say you get what you deserve. What due to Caesar, you get to Caesar. Alright. No problem. I not like the last verse of the baddest part for me of the song. I like how you flow this so. And it sound like you take about 18 hours to voice that song. Yeah. Cause really and truly a Calliado flow that, you know. A style the way I use, or a Calliado style. You see me? But you deliver it good. I want the best delivery me here you have. And the third verse, you should have move it and put it front. Yeah, the third verse, me does tell us it. You should have move it and put it front. But they write it game. Your GQ say alright, they write it game. But I like the effort, but brother, that can't walk near Deva call name. I know you don't call Deva that name. You don't talk about Deva, but you want to attack Footer again. 90% of the song they about Footer, you know. And then the rest about Cargo, you know. So why you afraid to talk about Deva Brat? And you're not even so confident when you say the part, say you never suck a pussy yet. Or you can hear the nervousness in your voice. It sound like you're not too sure if you did want to sing that part there. You understand? No, I'm not give him an E for effort. I'm give him a C. Now go with an E. Give him a C for creativity and for courageous. Cause him little bit brave. But him still not brave enough kind of call Deva, but you not address Deva. But you talk about Kartel get visa, but that not your business. Cause you not get none. The boss not put you up on the petition. You never dip on the application when the boss go get him visa. You understand that him and Scatterfly and TG and see them. And him there foreign and him dip on the red carpet and him call Madsus video call. Him not call you. Him not call you none at all. Low Kartel out of the something. And deal with your business yourself. Cause me not even see Kartel call you on the red carpet and say, Kuya brother, look here, I Madsus me seen call. And I say, Sus, what go on? Yo, we out in the world, are you next? I never know Madsus sing that song. And the man I say, Sus, are you next? I say, blood clot. Madsus have album. You understand? Yeah, so you could have left out that part of the song about Kartel and Visa. Stop use that. Defend yourself. I know you not talk about Deva Brat. You understand what I say? You not talk about Deva Brat all now. And nobody in a Gaza. Yo, are you alone in a Gaza like the car where you get in? Yo, are you alone? Yo, boss, the man saying get what him deserve. What due to Caesar, you give to Caesar. That mean Kartel and Valera nowhere. You see a GLE Mooney get. You see a Big Benz Madsus get.
I know, Footer hype, you always make some things sound like, yo, the guys are straight in the man. You hear me I say no man? They make it sound so man. Lisa hype just went to wait in turn, you see it? You don't know, say yo, the thing did that come down in a line. Oh, we look for me just stay so boom and left prison 13 year my daddy. And stay so boom as me come just buy Lisa hype at GLE. Just pray them as man and see them there so. How you expect see them I go feel? Yo, my respect to see them. Just pray them as no Footer hype. You don't have to just pray logic same way, man. You have to pray more than one way, you see pray. Get shot no daddy. You have to come down the line. Give some of your soldiers them and give some of your soldiers them something. And then you start support the girl them. You have to make see them really see say, yo, watch you know. I support the whole Gaza camp. We can't just jump up and say, yo, way. Big up Mooney, big up all of them. Because you see pray dog, I support them come down the line. Lisa just have to wait him turn, but Lisa just get wild out because him done say, yo, wait, him brain and way, you know. You never forget that. You want to just do the right thing on the social media. And wait. But I love over here say it warm. But as I say, watch them clip it over here so again.
I'm going to tell you something. I'm want to pay attention, you know. You see that style here? When Lisa hype I use, is a style to make Vybz Kartel eat Sean Storm. Because she and Footer hype link up. And Footer hype a show her off style Sean Storm. So Sean Storm can look like if him and she sit down a whole conversation about car. Sean Storm, come out of the dark and step in at the light. Lisa Hyper try use her brains because she a par with the demon. When Lisa Hyper try, she will make World Boss pre. Sean Storm, if World Boss not a sense, you know. If World Boss not a sense, it will pre Sean Storm. Just check your logics when me just go now. Just check the logics and when me just say.
Yo, social media, wham, yo, the internet, mash up. Yo, what one? Yo, blame them. And squash my door over here, so hatch it again like, whoa, yo, ja. Yo, when blame them see this and the blame them, I go mad, you know. Squash, mad, I look out for everything, when blame them, I come with, you know. Yes, I fire against fire, you know. Yo, daddy, we not promote no violence, you know. But we just love how I deal with this thing, yeah. Alright.
Blood clot problem them. Police kill Ricky in thief and him a rapper. Are you first for blood clot? Little blood clot, bag juice and duplex so me feed upon when you're little. Little boy, about you and my boy grow. You and my boy grow up. Where? Sass me youth them born and grow. And come and make me come Melbourne. Little dirty bum boy. What twilight touch your blood clot. So every day outside, see me and nobody want to do nothing. Eh? Your uncle Lassell sell bath and body work a blood clot fall mouth drunk. So I'm going to get Lassell picture, you see. I'm going to teach you a lesson and I'm going to get Marie's son picture. I'm going to teach you a lesson, blame them. Blame them, me never ball out wrong hole. Me never ball out wrong hole yet. Blame them, you can't poop if you poop your up. Poop hole. So blame them. You drunk every day come and call me name. Look, you know see you rich, every day put me there beg rose, you beg gift, and you see you rich. Look, the poor people they make them get blood clot gift. Boy. Eh? You're rich and you're the beg gift. You fight against everybody on the app. What me? You fight against everybody. You know what people you make there, you know what people information you give out on the app. What if somebody return it back to blood clot? You little big head.
Never buy none of your car now. Never, ever in a life. I have worried a man will buy all I'm picking them a car and buy him daughter we can't even drive a car. Never. See verse today. He never do nothing for nobody. Never. And then I don't want him come on the internet and talk about Disha this and Disha that and you see me? I don't want him do that. So, cause only know him lie now. He will come and talk about bag of things. I can't believe, say, I really you, when me go through so much with you, I really me, yeah, do this again. Like, I can't believe, like, it didn't even make sense, bro. You see me? It don't make no sense.
Hey guys, it's Moncherie, and I'm gonna need you guys to leave Lisa alone. She's a really sweet person. I remember when I first got on the scene with Bebe, like she embraced me and we spoke and she's so much fun. Unlike Vanessa Bling that blocked me when she saw Bebe drop with Kartel. No shade, I'm just saying. You know, you never know what someone's going through. And us women in the industry, like sometimes we get manipulated by men and their promises, and it never falls through. And they act like you don't exist. Excuse me? You're not God. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna need you guys to have more compassion for Lisa, because she's a really sweet girl and I like her a lot. And she kind of reminds me of myself. I laugh at the videos that you guys think that she's crazy and mad. She's just expressing herself. What's wrong with that? Everybody expresses themselves differently. But now I'm on medication for my ADHD. I just feel like a completely different person. I'm on Adderall. Good stuff. Yeah, so leave Lisa alone. Please. She is Gaza's first lady. Yep. But let me mind my business. But you know I like to mind people's business on the internet. Like Devontae would say, let me say this quick, fast, and in a hurry.
Hey, scatter, don't vex with me. You're pretty brown and I have sex with me. Me body so good, she keep texting me.
Besties, listen to this now. So what do you know? When the pastor, Jeffrey Shuttleworth, come up at me, the first thing I did before I opened my mouth, I went to the high place. I went to God. Because you have to understand, before Jeffrey say what him say, come in and call him pastor, I know, because he didn't act like one. So me gonna remove the pastor off my name because he never act like a man of God. So we're gonna call him Jeffrey. We not call him no Pastor Jeffrey Shuttleworth. Jeffrey. Deafrey. Because you must be deaf. You never hear when God talk to you. You make the devil use you. But let me get my point across. Before Jeffrey come out and said what he said about me, remember, God knows him that gonna say it. God knows him that gonna make the devil use him. Because you have to understand, say, God like to get him point across. And I'm going to show you how God ended up getting his point across. Because if there was a problem in the church where these so-called people of God felt like they are better than us, because we know wash off with the water, God used me to show them, to stop it. I don't know if I explain myself properly. I want to say it again because I'm not sure if you not listen or you not understand. I don't know if I really explain myself. Yeah. The way how I explain myself. But we could talk again. If God sees something happening in the church, or God sees something happening in the community, where there are people like me who probably not baptized yet, and want to go into that particular church, and him see the corruption in the church, where when people like me go into the church sister them, through them baptize, see them, yeah? Because we know, say, enough of them type of people that in the church. So them look down on people like me. So if God see that happening, or if God saw that happening, God is not a God of confusion. He will find a way to show them up, teach them a lesson. He will also find a way to make it play out where them see say them wrong. Because maybe if somebody go to them and say, Pastor, I didn't like how you deal with this, because him a pastor, him feel mighty and bigger himself. So sometimes God have to use situations and show them. Because obviously Jeffrey, I saw him stay a long time, and a certain set of church people that I saw them stay, they feel like say them better than people, they feel like they know God more than nobody else, and they feel like God love them more than God love anybody else. God love all of us. He made all of us in our own unique way. So to stick to my point of what I want to carry through, besties, God used me to show them. So whatever they're doing, whatever is happening in the church, where they might act like them better than people, them to stop it. Remember, I said, God didn't know say this is happening, you know. So when me go to him, you know, and I said, God,
me and my friend, I'm a talk and ting. I'ma realize me now do certain thing. Feel like me out of place and ting.
And here we don't understand about Lisa. First thing gonna jump up, she mad. One mother. Just think about the trauma of being exposed with a penis in her mouth via picture or video. The person where you're most loyal to, and them kill your career.
Yeah, man, big up your family. Them would have seen me and I and think of the eye. And they said, yeah, family this from day one. Never forget, yeah? Never. Someone on top, you know, ready?
Just the truth. that we don't believe mashing up. Me she talked to for 2 hours on the phone. And me still not say nothing. She vent to me. And it's not the first. The time when I go through the pregnancy and she come to Florida. At the barber shop she come in November. And me she come to and talk to every time she go through our local phase them. And on the door know nothing will cause her to get in a them vibe there. First thing on the jump up, she mad. What mad her? What mad her? You think people just get up and mad? You think people just get up and go through depression for nothing? You don't think I say it work? I something have to cause it. Just think about the trauma of being exposed with a penis in her mouth via picture or video or whatever, and it crumble her career, and from that she can't get back, and she still have to depend on the same person where she alleged to do that to survive. Just think about that alone. Just think about that alone. Just think about the things say the person where you're most loyal to and them kill your career. Just sit down and think about living with that. And still love the person and still hate the person. You have to deal with love and hate at the same time. And you have to try deal with coping and not coping. And come on, like when you don't know. When you don't know. When you don't know. Nakia, what you mean why she have to depend on him though? He was her source to power. And then him what she alleged him do, take away the power. But him still powerful. So she feel like she have to stay in that bubble here to survive because the world shun her and the world done with her. So she feel like she have to stay under them wing just to survive. And then she get treated wrong, and it's not easy. It's not easy. You understand what I say? That's why I live by myself, you know. Because of my sanity. Because me don't want to live with that woman when me and her in an argument. And me don't want an argument. She want to argue. Me want to argue, but she don't want to argue. Me going to end up and figure liquor in her face. Because me don't want to nice in my ears. Me don't want to argue me about fuckery. So guess what me do now? Me live in my yard. And my woman live in her yard. So me and her in an argument now, me just drive. Go to my yard. Or she there in my yard. She pack and go. You understand what I say? It saved me from losing my sanity, losing my temper, and I put my hand on her. Because I don't want to put my hand on a woman ever again. So you and me leave. You understand what I say? Or if she there, me had my girl leave. You understand what I say? So you have to understand. You understand? You can't just jump up and oh, I lie, she tell at this, a girl left for go. She got to take her mad pill. Come on. She's a woman. We don't know what she. Listen, well, we don't know. But we can't just tear her down so I don't know what going on. She's a female. She's a woman. She's not as tough and as strong as we, as tough as she perceive herself to be. You understand me? I say she really is an emotional person. And here we don't understand about Lisa. You see when people where she love hurt her, different thing. Different thing. Different thing. Different. You understand what I say? So I want to tone down a little bit, man. Remember, I now say I want to run with what she say and believe her, you know. And I now say, I want to tear her down either. Make she talk, make she do what she do. Make she vent, make she do what she do. Don't get up and want to know where the girl got through her, where she got through her, what she live with inside from how long. You understand what I say? That's why you hear me come on the live and I say, Kartel, buy her a JLE where she want, where you promise her. You understand what I say? And that's why I say, Dexter, give her a call if you can. No, you don't want to do it, but just to calm her nerves and her spirit, give her a call. You understand what I say? You get me? That's why you hear she come out and a blast Mooney so because she rather blast him than even blast Kartel because she not in love with Mooney. She ignorant for Mooney right now. She just stab Mooney in his head and kill him. But at true, Mooney not do her nothing really. But Kartel buy Mooney a Benz and him promise she a Benz from him their jail. So she ignorant. And when she got through and how long she in her system, me can't tell her so she not feel her way there. How can I look on her and tell her that? And from me I hear about Kartel till now me I hear about Lisa. Before the whole of them other people. So I am just saying, when you stop beat her someone and stop, you understand? Lord make she vent. A Kartel a figure calm her and do the right thing. And Dexter, give her a call. Me know you don't want to call her. Me know you're ignorant and she load up your thing and but sometime that one call there can save a life and stop a whole heap of things. Cause you see, anyhow, uno make she continue upon a pain right here where she depend. You see, anyhow. Remove it all, Pelpa. Shut your fucking mouth about being Judas run the bumbuckler DJ. She dey run the DJ before you know say a DJ. So if you call her Judas, I don't know if you're side of the story. That me tell you about one man in my youth. Me can't call her Judas because I don't know her full story she and Kartel. You understand what I say? And anyhow, she that you know I'm shut my mouth. Because I know later here, when you just stop beat the girl and Kartel, you know and me know, link Lisa, the video where she want you shoot for her and the studio time where you make she owe and them something there. Deal with it. And Dexter, give her a call if you can. Just to say hi. And you understand what I say? Yeah. That's all I say. I come off of you so before I end up say some things when I'm not supposed to say. I know women are supposed to, or women are want to say. Just big up on it.
And nobody got a short go no down. We do it for bank account, them a do it for the cloud. She said the duffel bag, she want to do it for